So hello everyone, welcome to Corporate House. So today we are going to look on that how to perform regression analysis on Excel. So to perform regression analysis on Excel, let's take some random numbers. So I have created three columns: height, age, and weight. So let's make weight as our dependent variable. So we are highlighting weight as weight will be our dependent variable, and height and age are the independent variable. So now to do an or perform a regression, you just need to click on this data. You can see on the top of the list that you can see the data. So you have to click on data. You can see that there will be an option of data analysis. So if these two options are not available, data analysis and solver, then you have to add the options. Just click on file, and then you have to click on in the options. You can see that there are so many possible navigations are there. Then you have to click on options. So as you click on options, you can see that this will be the interface, and you have to click on add-ins. And in the add-ins, there is the analysis tool pack. You need to add in on the Excel. You need to install that in the Excel. So you just click there and click on OK. So, and also if you want to manage this, then go configure this by go and etc. So all the settings. So basically the overall purpose is and install the analysis tool pack, and if you want to do further things, then obviously add solver also. So to perform statistics, this analysis tool pack is very much helpful. Then you need to click on the data analysis, and on the data analysis you can see that all the statistics are there. Processes are there, just like ANOVA and all the correlation, F test, all the things are there. So we are going for regression, so just click on regression there and then OK. After you clicking on OK, you need to select the range. So you need to select the range. In the y-axis, y will be the dependent. So in the dependent, you need to select this range. And in terms of x is nothing but the independent variables list. So just clear this if some things are put in there. Then select this independent value range, and then click on OK. You can see that regression x range and y range can't overlap. So we have done some mistake. So we need to select the weight. So we have selected wrong column. So sorry. So this will be our dependent variable. Then we need to click on there, and you can see that these are the results. These are the results of the regression. So now one thing is there, that there is no means column name. So you have to bring the column name. So what you have to do when you are selecting the data, so if you are selecting the data, so select by this include column name, and for independent also select all the things, and then click on OK. Now there is the results. You can see that there is the intercept, which is height and also age. So you can see that there is no relation with height with weight. So basically with weight is our dependent, and age has some sort of relation. So you can see that. So with the help of statistics, you can now create a regression equations and all of this, and then you can evaluate your model and you can perform the statistical analysis. So with by this way we can perform regressions in Excel. So as many columns are there, you just select the dependent variable and then select all the independent variables. And if you want to plot residuals and all the things, then you can also add up on the navigations or the tab. So that's all for now. So subscribe for more technical videos in terms of data analytics and data science. Thank you.